Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals channel. Let's see what we have in store for you today.
Quick and Easy Meals. Take out the stress to learn and make easy, delicious, healthy meals within minutes. Quick and Easy Meals. How do you like your meals? Quick and easy.
Today, we will be making keto beef, kale, and cannoli bean soup. And we're going to do this in an Instapot. So let's go over the ingredients. We will first, of course, need beef, about a pound of beef. We will need Italian herbs or whatever seasonings you like. We're going with Italian herbs today. We will need really a tablespoon of tomato paste. So this little can is like more than enough. We will need a can of cannelli beans. That will be good. Of course, we're going to need kale. You can get it as is, or you can get it pre-packaged with it's already cut, ready to go. Since we're doing quick and easy, we like to get things quick and easy, ready to go. We'll need 1 onion. We'll need diced tomatoes, any brand will do. We will need about a tablespoon of garlic. I like to use the pre-peeled garlic all ready to go, saves time. But any garlic you want, and really you can use more than a tablespoon if you prefer. I always do. And then we need some chicken broth. We're going to need about 40 ounces, so we got two boxes of chicken broth because this is 32 ounce, and then we'll need an additional about 8 ounces. Alrighty, so let's get our Instapot and get started. Our first step is to saute our garlic and onions for about 2 minutes. Then we will add in a pound of beef. So turn your Instapot on. And saute the garlic, which we've already minced up, and the onions, which we have already cut up. And saute these two for about 2 minutes till they kind of soften up, and then we'll add in the ground beef. After about 2 minutes, you want to make sure things aren't sticking. It should be soft enough. The onions and the garlic should be pretty soft. It does smell great. We'll put in a pound of beef, and we will get that browned up. So we'll let that cook and brown that up. And then we'll add in our chicken broth and our other ingredients. It's coming together nicely. Just keep everything moving. Once we get all the hamburger browned up, then we will add the chicken broth. Now we will add 40 ounces of chicken broth. This one's 32 ounces. And then I got another one. We'll estimate about 8 ounces on that. And we will add a tablespoon of the paste. our seasonings, which we're gonna add some salt and some pepper, and we will add about a tablespoon of our Italian seasoning. See how detailed that is? Oh, it's a little blurry. All right, well, there you go. That's why I like this Italian seasoning. It really gets pretty. So we added our Italian seasoning. And then, let's see. Next, we'll add in our can of cannoli beans. And while we let that start to cook, and our diced tomatoes, you make sure you wash your kale and get that ready to go next. In the meantime, we'll get this all stirred up. Now, if your kale is all washed, we're going to use that whole bag of kale. And we're going to manually set this on pressure for 5 minutes. That kale's going to shrink down, so it's full now, but it won't be for long. Now we have everything in our Instapot. We will put the lid on and we will pressure it for 5 minutes. Turn off the steamer so it can pressurize, and we'll set it on high for 5 minutes. Once your 5-minute timer goes off, then we will let the decompression begin for 5 minutes. Just let it self-decompress. Okay, once the steam stops coming out and this little pin thing sinks back in, then you can release the lid. And then you get in there and you kind of just stir things up. Looks like an awful lot of kale. Hopefully you like kale. And there you go, a nice hot bowl of healthy soup on a cold winter day, as winter seems to be continuing to drag along. You can add in some Parmesan cheese. And there you go, keto beef, kale, and cannelli bean soup in the Instapot in about 15 minutes. Looks good, house smells good. Yes, it tastes good. You can even add mozzarella cheese if you like, which I think I will do. Hey, thanks for watching. Thank you for visiting the Quick and Easy Meals channel. Have a great day.